The Hynniewtrep Youth Council (HYC) had marched towards the main secretariat in Shillong with an intention to demand from the state government the implementation of the inner line permit in Meghalaya and to oppose the introduction of railways across the state. As the protest intensified, a delegation of the HYC were asked to meet the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya in charge of Home Department, Preston Tunsong, for a discussion on various demands of the council. Also present during the meeting was the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, D.P. Walang, the Commissioner and Secretary Home Department, Cyril V. Dingdo, besides others.
MDS to government. Down. MDS to government. Down. Abandayo. Terkasiya abandayo.